You tell the angels in heaven you never seen evil so singularly personified as you did in the face of the man who killed you.
That good, yo, okay. And it's Lord, you hell, beloved.
My hitters get the contract and you can get robbed, yeah. I know some large cats who switch up cars, pitch hard, and keep a fever up his bitch bra. Flea, aka Sonny Gambino, you better keep a stick if you come with that kilo. I ain't talking Wesley, but I run with that Nino. Got 8 R's and 40 cows, some of them legal, yeah. Loyalty or death, enforcers need respect. I don't spit a verse unless they toss a flea a check. In Boston we connect, touring with the sex, then it's back to the city where we talking with a tech. Edit on the beat is like a legend, check the heat. I spit hectic for the street, but still get credit to P.
Legend.
You're a ball tour lord, numbers on the scoreboard. Everybody stunting for the grand boy, we all poor. Cold ass world, that's why I stay in my heat. I ain't frontin', I'm trying to stay from underneath them sheets. P put me on to this wicked sick game. Told me please stay real and forget about fame. Take care of your wife and your kids and live straight. So what, we in the hood, my nigga, we live great. Respect on the 100, I keep it 1,000. I came a long way from busting heads in the lobby of house alone. Yeah, I came a long way. When I was in the game, I used to play with Long Ye. Graffiti on the walls, neighbors playing Sade. Now I'm up like the roof with my plate and the 8. Yeah, I graduated, lost talking classic, so they had to play it. Nigga think he got the sauce, but they ain't marinated. Half a payment make me have to smack your rapper favorite. Flea, I see a lot of love, you bastards packed with hatred. It's a cold world, youngest selling old girl. Loyalty is dizzy, never told them we won't curl. Bag on the way, now my mag on display. Lil' Lord negotiate with the rag on his face. My brodies is my codies, we have on the case. If you snitch on the click, then your pass get erased. Top down, heat on, cruising with my 3 long. All white Gucci shoes, looking like some tree tongs. It's a cold ass world, that's why I stay in my heat. I ain't frontin', I'm trying to stay from underneath them sheets. P put me on to this wicked sick game. Told me please stay real and forget about fame. Take care of your wife and your kids and live straight. So what, we in the hood, my nigga, we live great. Respect on the 100, I keep it 1,000. I came a long way from busting heads in the lobby of house alone.